TACFIT is most obviously a portmanteau for tactical fitness. When we discuss tactical fitness, we're referring to the precision selection of movements that are appropriate to the sum total stress that we're experiencing in our lives at that moment, so that we have maximal positive adaptation and minimal negative adaptation or maladaptation. TACFIT is also a system in that it's an architecture of programming that allows you to drop in what you're available to do. Do you have this tool? Do you have this range of motion? Do you have this intensity available to you? By giving you the ability to have those bones available so that you can place your skin on top of it, you can customize your training regimen to your level of readiness that day. You can program in your recovery and your adaptation appropriate to you using your own intuition for that moment in your life. The series of spot self-assessments that are built into the system allow you to toggle the programming and the protocol so that you can maximize the benefits that you receive and minimize the opportunities for injury. But that also means that you have to bring a certain level of mindfulness to your training. Whereas other programming may be rote, where you walk in, are told what to do, and you follow the directions. The TACFIT approach requires that you are cognizant of your choices, that there are options for you to upshift and downshift in complexity, to change the protocol, to apply active recovery rather than moving on to the next set and applying intensity with poor form. So there are safety valves that are built into the system for when movements deviate from the expected. It's been named the smartest workout because it requires that we apply our human intelligence to our performance rather than mindlessness. So this system is rather vast. It can become overwhelming to navigate when you try and do the system. Don't do the system. Do your workout that day. What is appropriate to you for that day? The system is not anything in particular. It's a toolbox. As you do what's appropriate for you that day, you may find the next day that you need a different tool. But that tool would be the one that you need for that day, based upon the sum total stress in your life. If you become a follower of TACFIT, it's important for you to realize that it's all about you, where you are right now, with what you have, and where you want to go. Don't get swept up into doing the next thing. Just do the thing that's appropriate to you. That could be the optimal slogan for precision exercise or tactical fitness, and in this case, the TACFIT system.